So, winter's finally here in New England, and I've definitely hit my limit on what I'm willing to do in the driveway on the truck. But the parts are piling up. I've got manual hubs, CV axles, a bunch of good stuff that I'm planning to make a lot of content on, and there's a lot of it, so don't worry. I lost access to that space that I was using to do a lot of these projects recently, and I have this old shop that I've been working out of for a couple of years. I resided it, I poured a slab. We got electrical out there. I built that bay window and made those new doors for the front. And once it was good on the outside, I kind of walked away from the project. I kept finding jobs that gave me new spaces to work in, but I've always wanted to make this my space. I have lots of cool tools in there that I've never used but owned for years. And I'm out in the world again, working on all sorts of fun stuff. It's time to get the inside of this place up to shape so I can start making cool projects and share them with you guys. And if you started following along because of the truck build, don't worry, there's a lot more of that to come. I really appreciate everybody that has followed along on that adventure, and I really hope you guys enjoy this new one that I'm going on, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. After we got the space all cleaned up and that massive joiner moved, it was time to go get our first haul of materials. We went with rolled fiberglass insulation for the walls and the ceiling. I put some aside for the fall when we'll do the ceiling. I don't feel like I have the time or the means to do the ceiling right now, and it's only getting warmer, so we went with rolled fiberglass insulation because I was doing the job alone, and my lack of experience spraying insulation just led me to the most practical solution, which was to cut this stuff and staple it. But before I could do that, I needed to remove all of the screws and brackets that were on the walls, holding up all my tools and materials. Once that was done, it was time to clean up the space, a quick vacuum, and then it was on to insulating the shop. Well, it took a little bit longer than I thought it would, but it's happened. I've stared at those walls for years, and I actually never thought this would be happening. I guess you never know where you're headed, and this was something that I've always dreamt of doing. It's actually been one of the main things I've always wanted, which is to have a creative space to see through ideas of mine that I otherwise don't get to every day. But this place is an absolute mess now, and I think before I get any plywood or get any paint in here, it's due for a cleaning. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I think the transformation will be a lot more satisfying in the next videos to come. Don't worry, the truck's coming back. There's a lot more there. And thanks again. I'll see you guys in the next one.